Hello, I'm here today to talk to you about the mass burn incinerator that they want to build on Beddington Farmlands in South London. Beddington Farmlands is an important wetland area for over 145 different species of bird. Bird, 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 bird. One of the things that really gets my nads, the company building the incinerator didn't want any delays, and so they cut down the trees where the sparrows nest.
You know that feeling you have when you're stumbling home from the pub, 3 sheets to the wind, desperate for a tinkle, and there's nowhere to go? That's how I feel.
In 2007, there were 1,000 tree sparrows. This year, there are only 60.
Now, as a dog, I don't know much about tree sparrows, but my friend the cat here probably does.
I love the tree sparrows, me. They're a tasty bite-sized treat. But those are Viridor, they're killing them all off.